You know, being a YouTuber is one thing, but when some software, or in this case n8n, sends you goodies, it really feels amazing. So I got some goodies which I will show you from n8n, and they say, hey creator, thanks so much for creating awesome YouTube videos about n8n. I really appreciate it. As a small thank you for your support, we are sending you some n8n goodies. We hope you will enjoy them and maybe show them off a little in your next video. We also got some exciting stuff coming up for YouTube creators. We'll be in touch. So as you can see, we got some goodies and it's really helpful. We have the sticker of n8n. I have this XL t-shirt, which I got a good quality t-shirt here. We have the n8n cap here. It's really amazing. We have this wireless microphone, and this is what I'm using right now to record this, and you can see the sound quality is amazing. We have this selfie light, although I don't show my face in the videos, but I promise that when I hit 100k subscribers, I'm gonna reveal my face. But this is again a big gesture by n8n to small creators like myself, which really motivate me and to create more interesting videos in the future. And that's it for this video. We'll see you in this another one. Thank you n8n for the support to YouTubers like ourselves. Thank you.